not see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
Now, Nella got a...
You have to touch it, guys.
My girl's taking over the vlog. Alright, y'all, taking how the basement's finally cleared up. Shout out to Ziggy. There's no more junk over here. There's no more junk over here. It's just this little stuff here, but I guess it's the stuff he needs to finish up what he's doing. What happened? What did you get? You got a little fish?
Yeah, you have to open it to see the little fish.
So Nala got a little fish, a betta fish. She picked it out herself. And then we have the home right here. There are more stones in there?
Yeah. We got this.
Yeah, we're gonna make his house look pretty, right? Where's the food? The food's in the bag too. Take out the food.
Oh. We got cookies.
Look.
It looks like nasty. We got cookies.
Pick up the garbage, Mama.
Yeah. So we had this little balloon, but you like it okay.
Here.
Okay. We need this.
Yeah, you can put those in there.
What we do?
Wait, you better open this. So until we get like a better thing, we're just gonna leave it here for now.
We have this.
Oh. Okay. Pour them in there.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Think it's too much?
You just pour it over?
Yeah, but that water is dirty. This one's dirty. So I would just take him out and then just, unless you can grab him.
Yeah.
You're brave. Ziggy, is he supposed to jump out? Hey, Nyla. Good girl. It's on.
That's it.
That's it, Mama.
You know, put this in there?
Yeah, go for it.
Where's that water coming from?
When you were trying to put it in.
I need this for him.
Okay, we can take out one.
Okay.
Let's see if he leaves bubble. They say if they leave bubble, it means that they're in a healthy environment.
We need this for him.
Yeah. Yeah? Okay, hold on.
They would have stopped there. Huh?
It just, I don't know, it came like that.
Oh, because it's happy.
Candy for the fish.
There we go. Look at the family. Family just stand up. Her glasses.
It's her tassel. You know you can buy more of this in Saffron?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't shake it.
Me don't know if it is real, but me know if a fuck. I know hit you. There's some other customer do. Good morning.
Good morning.
So what's your chicken? Nisha just got road, you get me? And come back.
What'd I do?
Why this look so? I'm glad I am.
Yeah, it's not good. Did it just turn like that?
Yeah.
It's not good.
Dang it.
All of them.
And you know what's me seed panda? One the piece when me cut off the edge part off it. But what I say? But look, me show you what I'm going. Me show it.
Are they dumb? I paid $7 for this. I'm bringing it
Is
back.
it? Nah, middle part, yes sir. But when me peel him in seed, we can like as you want more to touch it just. So if I good that no good people, wanna see it. Jump up this morning, Nisha said she make some breakfast. You get me? But she come back and she said, eh. Oh, that song.
I said what?
She come back with everything and put on and put it down and say, eh. What that sound like? I made a break. I made them make breakfast or she. I think I planning to make breakfast, but you will say, alright, go and do the dumpling and some. Say, alright, me just go and match up that, and she come put on everything in. That not sound right. May I come out of the kitchen?
So get up.
You get the bleach?
Hi, I just came there and I bought it. Yeah.
But anyway, I don't know my badness come down. Good morning again, my love how everybody are checking on the vlog and I go on Wally vibes, you see me? Yesterday was a liquor clean up there and thing, you see it, and we there deal with some liquor here and there, you see it. Anyway, me there listen to Nisha conversation. Nyla. So Nyla just paint her birdhouse, or I don't know if it's a birdhouse or what. Full of color. And most bees go living at this. Bums? What are you doing? Doing what?
Trying to make.
You trying to put it together?
Yeah, because I'm trying to.
It's a puzzle.
Yeah, because I'm trying to help mommy to do this to help. Because I'm sitting here because I got pin in my room.
Okay.
I can sit here.
So anyway, my family, I don't mind a little mess here, so is that while go on as some rearrangement I go on again on some rearrangement, you know? So
We got this.
yeah? That's the edges?
Yeah, because I needed the edges.
Okay. So this a room I kinda get separated again because you know say I would close them when they over here, so now room settings, but it's a different chapter that day. But anyway, so what we have to do is that we have to adjust the thing, and also we get this a closet here yesterday, which is it's kinda small for me and Nisha close them. So what we do, me and Nisha do, we go ahead and we build some extra space. So we drop in this piece and that's about the color it, I think we go paint it to make it match back this color here. So we had an extra rack over here, so then we have got other extra one below here, so we have enough space. So that's how you can see, so we have everything packed up in here, so we add basically, sorry mama, I'm sorry, when we buy this we just come with one rack up at top, so what we do, go ahead and add an extra one down here, so for all and all stuff them, you know. And then as I say, we add the shelf over here so you can hold all our towel, sheets, all up at top and extra stuff. Then this is one rack if I add clothes, and then we go to the next one. So what are you saying, mama?
I got other stuff right here.
What do you say? Tell them.
I got other stuff.
Who you're talking to?
The camera.
The camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Go walking pot. You see it?
This
You see me? I'm still not mind any settings on your side again. Everything so carpet setting the right way. Oh, right. We can say for sure. Nisha got the table. Nice little table.
It's not staying there though.
You know, like everything just put on right now.
Yeah, right. As of right now, everything.
You see me?
Computer desk is not staying there.
You know, everything
Gotta
just
rearrange. Earth things being rearranged. Got a little fish. What's his name? Mo.
Mo.
This is Mo, guys, and he's been surviving. I think the water needs to clean though.
Didn't they say like what? Everywhere.
Some people were saying like the fish is gonna die by next day, but he's been going strong.
Who said that?
Some people were commenting on my picture.
Don't be dissing,
Don't
eh?
diss Mo.
So yeah, you know, as I should say, them are nasty. So we just say get the stuff them from now, so that means when we're ready. Because if you go get one fridge same speed, we at this side. If the fridge go over this side or yeah, come on this side over here, so we still have more doors.
I was giving Nyla this.
Yeah.
And she's like, no, my teeth will fall off.
That's good. That's good.
Wow.
Now you should take some lessons from her now too.
Bro, bye.
But yeah, so in it yesterday for carrying family. Because Nisha, you know, a joke.
No.
A joke. You ready, you know? So as I say, we gonna get this yesterday. It was already set up and everything. If we come in from upstairs through here, so oh my god, we have to come down the stairs with it, push up your back then mics and make we try again. We come down again and carry back outside. And then we have to take it through the back door. Anyway, yesterday I take the time to clean up your wall along here, so anyway. What do you say? Oh, where are you?
No, I was saying it. Even mash up piece of the stairs.
The stairs? Up there?
Yeah, like piece of it chipped.
Oh, really? Dang. That's sad. So, you see what?
We should have done. Well, I guess we didn't really know. Because obviously before we did here, we would have got everything that we needed, but we didn't know.
We didn't know. What can you do? So, man. Okay. I can't see them a chip here. I cause all of them there. See? Tear off the wall of your son, something. Right, that's so now. So you end up making you make a big hole in our wall, so you end up that's gonna have to go back. Yesterday, patch up back your whole layers, so literally one big.
And then exchange this, okay?
Yeah. You know? So we have to just patch up back that. End up we still couldn't come in, so we have to pull it down completely. And then come in with it. Which is that how we should have done from first. You know, but you don't know anything said.
Welcome back to another vlog. So as you guys just see, we just went to wash the car and everything, jump on the highway, and not this freaking car just got Ziggy heated right now. So these people, if they come on, I'm gonna actually record them. Ziggy, let me try to catch them on camera because they're going straight on YouTube. They're freaking on the highway and they're dashing shit out their windows. So they dashed like some liquid or something, came back all in our car. Then they threw a bottle or something and it came back. I think I caught it on video because I was Snapchatting them. Let me catch them. Hold on. Are they all back there? If we catch them, I'm gonna catch them. But then they're giving us the finger as if we're wrong. And I'm like, you're on the highway, so why are you throwing stuff out the window? Knowing that's gonna go into the other car. But Ziggy is heated right now, man. Holy crap. Anyways, we're currently on our way to Toronto-ish to go to an event. By the time this vlog goes up, it might be a little bit late. But that's okay. Still gonna capture all that I can capture, share what I can, because if you guys want to see the full clip of everything, I want you guys to go and support Zoes's channel. Today's their anniversary and welcome party for her husband, because her husband's here. I'm so excited for her. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. When I literally got the invitation, I was like, oh my god, like I was like freaking out. I was so happy for her because I just remembered that feeling, like when Ziggy first came here, and just to know that your LDR is over. Like, it's fun of course in the beginning, but just to know that your partner is here with you. So yes, I'm gonna capture some footage, but I want you guys to go over to her channel, support her and her hubby, send them a big welcome to Canada, send him a big welcome to Canada, and show them love. Let them know that the Newby fam sent you guys over there. Ziggy's like half dressed right now because we had to pick up his pants from the tailor. Oh, this is what I was saying,
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
I don't know which part we did in that vlog, you know, but trust me. I don't know where we did, but. Yo. Yo. What are you eating?
Some rice.
Some rice. Coming from work and there, you know. Some girl coming from work and he just. As he come in from work, he first thing I say, you done cook?
No. Like?
You not even call him a hug and say, hey babe, how's your day? Or whatever. It's like, you done cook?
Nice.
I'm like, what? You not even say I love you, like what's up? You know? But you don't know what you have to do, what you have to do. You see, cook some food so she can come in, come eat. And because when that media work,
Life?
when that media work and thing, you know, come in and she deal with for me plate of food, them say, you know? So we have to take you. What?
Make them comment down below if they believe you.
Oh, don't believe me though. So in the night, yeah, we there and Nisha get somebody to fix what they do? Clean, you know, clean the furnace, them and them thing. But I guess a few over the months and years or year while we there, it's like it thing never clean, so they function properly. Or what, I don't know, because I'm not a furnace man. You understand? But just as them clean the thing, you know, say AC start blow cold and everything, everybody starts saying, it plays too cold and I can't turn on the AC. But what I want to know is that the water start leak from under the furnace. So it's like me just say, you know, instead of having to go call back somebody again, make we check what I want. So we do a one check on YouTube, your greatest place to be. Yo, if you don't know, dip on that channel already, yo, just subscribe to your channel. Cause you know, say I pay yard man day and pay yard man day and pay Canadian day. Big up the whole like American subscribers. New York, Europe, England, Jamaica, Japan, India, Brazil. Yo, big up the whole globe. Anywhere on the day, just big up on yourself. So, I'm like going down to check in on the channel. So what I go on is that as me there, I say, yo, you know, me just come check in on the thing and see. So, me jump on a YouTube channel and the dog I say, yo, just look around the back and look in one part to see water leak. I just, you know, me just check and see. So just as I come here, I take off the back piece. So if you have phone on and see the leak, one part around the backish part, I don't know what this calling, but just look for them. Or run on so. And I just peep down, you know, on the part around so. See the water overflow. You know, so we have to go pull off this, clean out it, and whatever the bung there. I'll make water start run again. So, Mike.
Got it?
Yeah, but if I pull this, I look for a piece of tool to take off this from here and then tighten it back. So this I guess the water will flow back through. But this bung up. So the easiest fix one you can use or try use. What do you call? See there?
Let me just push this underneath this so the water can run.
Oh yeah, can just flow.
Have a run. Me I setting more heavy, so more thicker.
You rise up some more.
At least, yeah. Want me do a blowjob again? You get
Yeah.
You get
So,
okay.
but if you allow no have it.
Old school. I say old school fix it.
Old school fix. Clear everything.
Yep.
Or what that?
Upstairs. That's upstairs. You get run now.
Yeah man. You see there? You don't have to tear down nothing and tear down nothing and tear down nothing.
Just have a whole guy around the place.
Yeah. So that's it. If you don't have this spanny, yes, what you call it, a breather or something? Yeah, so if it bung up or whatever, just blow it. So that push up back everything and then clean out. And that's it.
Because bonify the water supposed to run, come down there so, and from up there so, and go down through here so, and come.
Go in and run this one.
Come like it clog. But water run now.
Can I switch on it back then? Let me screw up it back then. Well, that was a quick fix. So here Diego. See there? So I can try to catch him back in the grounds and grounds. I found one that he not can see it, you know.
You know, so I see it yesterday, I come down here, but I think I searched it as something with spill.
But even me shocked to come and say from everything there, so I never seen the water they run this yet. You see me? So I say I clean my dad, them come clean, he can like
Plus the AC I run regular too.
You see me? Oh, and a summer too, huh?
It I run overtime.
True.
Because remember say the temperature set on the levels up there like say 78. And when it catch a 78, if it drop go above 78, then it kick on again. So that again like keep the windows open and stuff for that when the AC is on. That kind of messes it up.
So now I get tips. You hear that? Alright.
Just like in your car, you know, drive AC window open. Now I get the fullness. By the time the window shut to get the fullness. Alright. But the greatest thing with this flooring here, it's waterproof.
Hey.
So if you had like a different kind, this one, you know, then you would get waterlogged and all them things. So I always go to the basement, get that kind of thing, a flooring where waterproof, you know.
But she did. Oh.
Better if furnace run water than the pipe, because I just sweat. I sweat build up there, you know.
Should I make sure you say kind of. Should I get one liquor something? See if no liquor extra sitting around it like. Yeah, so tight. Screw him up back. If you're not a carpenter, no whatever, if you work in a bank or any work where you do, make sure it's not make a tool on the yard. You know, make no man come fix nothing food. If you yard want cut the grass yourself, no make no man come cut your land. You hear about Joe grind? You make Joe grind come here, yard the body. Joe grind come cut the land.
Like, all you
Cut the land and plant the seed.
Guys, you guys hear Ziggy? All he does is chat.
They tell the man himself to make sure so they had some little tool at the yard that don't make no man come work for no.
Me sweeping the floor, you messing it back up.
When they did they find out say man they cut to no human land. You can't cut that the land you again, you know, brother. That the man they make sure say the land cut properly. So man, find no tool them. Cut on no land on yourself. Bada me bada killer them no bada conco say Ziggy say cause Ziggy never say. You know say go on a little advice. Have a little tool them on yourself, yeah. You know? If you can't do one little 1-2 thing, you do no little 1-2 thing. And everything when you go jump up say call the man to come fix it. Secondly you find out say the man fix it. Yeah? The man fix it so till even if I want liquor something to fix. Man you man tell us say you want to fix again. Mama tell us say you want to fix again, mama they call Joe grind. Come fix this see me there. Cause the man now fix nothing in the yard. Wait. Yo, I'm not take it to heart, yeah, man. I joke me run. I don't joke me run now, but I joke me run, but you. Killers. Remember me I tell you, even if you can find one little tool and buy put down in our house. You know? So my time is nice when you can do some little something, you know, man, and your woman can look and say, and he say, me say, the thing did the leak and I'ma be able to fix it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
And you feel like a Jenna in yourself say, I don't know, man, have you come in your yard, come fix something, you fix it yourself. Man, me joke no, you know, on the yard. Joke. How you they do? How you they do?
What do you do?
Watch it.
One corner, boy. That's what the girls that used to hold you back over in the corner, eh?
In that party.
Yeah.
This one here on the borderline.
There was a party like that, remember?
Hmm? I know my fault make them like dance with me. Why if me just why if me just can't dance? The girl them like dance with me. Me there party and the girl them come and say they in the party and hey, that's why you see me any dance me they keep a Jamaica. You think say no selector can come on my dance and they keep be a gunman tune. Me take back my money from him and tell him to pack up in sound. You mad? Play a tune for the girl. Me not say for the girl them, for the woman them. Cause any party me go, if no woman not party, me not stand there.
What?
Then I must.
You go party to watch women.
So, Nisha, when me go a party, go listen to one bag of man the bus shot in a ear. Bap, 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 bap. That not make no sense. Me like go a party and see you man them enjoy themselves. Then I must. Cock up your bumper, cock it up. Aye, you true there. Bubble gala, bubble gala, bubble gala, bubble gala, bubble gala. Yalla wine to the bass and a wine to the... Yeah? Buck it up, y'all. Fling it up, yeah. Yeah. If me miss party, I had a joke. I can't joke. I told me miss party, I had a different settings. Because when man there party, I had a party that. You know? Party them there. Couple times Nisha there party, you want to see him. One of the things in the, hey, what's that? When I run pretty Nisha, you know? When Nisha ready to go on with a bag or something.
Don't lie.
You remember I dance so you go one drop. All of one drop, you want to see Nisha in the early corner. So my time I do one drop.
Ziggy,
and then they have one next one puppy tail. You see this and that puppy tail. Oh, you know. No joke, man. Yo, one of the time I go one party. I go one party. And anytime Nisha start, like, you know, I'm not going to drink. I go make she enjoy herself. And when he start party, I just take out the camera up on the side and show him. Be things, you know, see there? See me over that? Anyway, look on.
Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah, we alone.